Hey everyone, I'm Fennel. I'm one of the co-founders of OpenFunnel. And is this you? You are a founding AE, growth engineer, BDR, or a founding RevOps, and your territory accounts have zero signals. Your website visits and PNG signals, although frequent, are slow and mostly unqualified. You've tried intent data providers like Sixsense and Bambora, and frankly, they're not trusted. You get lead lists from Apollo, qualify through Clay, do a technographic qualification and research and outbound, but the conversions are very low. At OpenFunnel, we take a different approach. We search through activities that your ICP companies might be doing that indicate that they are in market for your solution. For example, if you're an LLM Ops company, you want to target companies in your ICP range who are rapidly expanding their LLM engineering teams and handling LLMs in production, which indicate buying signal. If you're a company like OpenFunnel, you want to target companies in your ICP who are going up market and are expanding their enterprise sales team. If you are a company helping with migration of CRMs, you might want to target companies transitioning from Salesforce to HubSpot, or any other signal that you can think of. Companies that have announced a new CTO, companies that are expanding their remote offices, or even prospects who are attending a particular type of conference and fit your ICP. You can capture all these activities by your target prospects through OpenFunnel. So this is what the platform looks like. You have hiring activity signals. We go deep inside the hiring activities, hiring posts of companies, go through the historical job postings and figure out if it matches the activity that you're looking for. For example, you can give a signal name, pick an ICP, and just be like, I want to target companies who are using HubSpot and scaling their account executive team. You just deploy it here and the signal gets deployed and it looks through all the ICPs, all the companies in your ICP that fit this company criteria and fit this goal as well. So similarly, we have other activity detectors like a website search in your ICP. We have company announcement signal detectors. We go through LinkedIn, we go through Twitter, we go through Google search and find out your target companies making specific announcements that are relevant to you. Similarly, for people prospects, we track any job change in your ICP. Your ICP prospects interacting with your competitors' LinkedIn posts, we track that too. By people attending conferences, you can define that in natural language here and you get a list. And this is what the output looks like. Here I had defined a signal for myself wherein I wanted to target companies who are expanding their enterprise sales teams for going up market. So let's see what the output is. So this is a bunch of companies that show up, and if you go into the explanation wherein we show you exactly why we think that this company is satisfying the goal that or the activity that you had mentioned, and you can read through the reasoning here and make an educated guess that this company is very likely to be receptive to your outbound. You can also, any questions, for example, I'd ask this questions, has any decision maker in sales joined the company in the last 3 months? So we give you the exact reasoning here, which person had joined the company in the last 3 months, and in case it's a no, we tell you that there is no available data that tells that anyone has joined the company in the last 3 months. So you ask any qualifying questions. We can answer literally any question about the people and the company through our agents. Any technographic question, does this company use Salesforce? We'll be able to ask that as well. So this creates a new column and you get the reasoning behind every answer just like you did for here. You can go into an account, for example, and also search through other signals that made this account relevant. If you had deployed multiple signals, all the account signals get aggregated here and you can get a full account view as in what is happening inside the company. You can even chat with the account and get more questions answered, as in we have the entire context of the company's LinkedIn post, employees LinkedIn post, sales navigator, and all of that combined into one, so that you can ask any question and do any type of research that you want on top of this account. So this is the full use case of OpenFunnel. We do the complete email enrichment as well. We have 80% email enrichment rate, which is standard in the industry. We do integrations with Salesforce and HubSpot directly, bi-directionally syncing your accounts into the CRM, finding new accounts, bringing existing accounts. And yeah, we are having a YC deal. You can directly sign up on the platform and start using it today.